So after the watchOS 27 update, do you know that now you can use Workout Buddy without your iPhone? So if you want to set it up and use it that way, press on the digital crown, and from this dynamic view or from the app list, just open the Workout app. If you have used it before, you know that if you scroll through this all available workouts, you can choose any one of them. Or if you don't see the one you need, you can keep scrolling, and from here you can add another workout type. So before starting the workout, you can tap on this bell icon to customize Workout Buddy, as the watchOS 27 included a couple of new voice options. Now next, if you tap on this button at the top right corner, you can set your workout goals, although this option was available on earlier versions of watchOS 2. Now after that, from this button, you can customize your workout view. Just go ahead, scroll through these options, select whatever health-related data you want to include on your workout dashboard. And from your dashboard, if you use Apple Music, you can also enable Autoplay media so your music starts automatically when your workout begins. Now after you're done, just go ahead and start any workout that you want. Now your live workout data will appear on the screen. Now since I'm, sitting right now, you might see different stats when you use while walking, cycling, or running in your case. And if you swipe right during your workout and scroll down, this is the new feature. You'll see the iPhone icon. If you tap on it, you can leave your iPhone behind and continue your workout using just your Apple Watch. And when you're done with the workout, you're near to your iPhone, all this data will be synced to your iPhone. And when you're done, simply from this section, tap on End, and then confirm it, just like on previous watchOS versions. Now, another big improvement is that you can now manage all your workout settings directly from your Apple Watch. So press the digital crown and let's open settings. Keep scrolling down all the way to the end and tap workout. And here you can adjust a lot of workout related settings, including more frequent GPS and heart rate readings. You can also open the workout mirroring and choose Apple Watch and iPhone if you want your workout data to stay in sync while you're mainly using your watch. And as you can see, you'll also find check-in reminders along with reminders to start, resume, and end workouts, plus end workout confirmation to help prevent accidental taps. And with all these settings available right on the watch, you can head out for a workout without your iPhone and still have your Apple Watch handle everything on its own. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.